Hello friends! Today I'm going to make a mini Oreo cake. Do you like these ones? I just love it! I have already collected all the ingredients. We can start creating our masterpiece. Join us soon! It's good that I have a multicolored fudge. I'll roll it out and make these wonderful sticks. Now, we need to break an egg. But at the same time, we have to separate the yolk from the whites. I have a special gadget for this. Look, the yolk remained on top, and the whites flowed down. It's very convenient. I pour sugar to the whites, add a little salt, and beat them with a spoon to make a foam. Hooray! I put some milk to the yolk, just like that. And some oil. A splash of vanilla syrup, and we can mix it. Wow! Flour is next. I'll pour it in small portions through a sieve, and then add cacao. I'll mix everything again so that the dough turns out without lumps. And here's the first bowl with foam. It's time to add it here. Great! I really like to cook. It's so cool! Our delicious dough is ready. Finally, we can pour it into a mold and put it to bake. Half an hour is quite enough. The main thing is not to miss the time. Look, the dough has doubled in size. And we have got such a huge cupcake, which will become a future cake. Cutting off the top and the bottom. I'll try to do it as smoothly as possible so that it turns out beautifully. Now, I will smear the top layer with cream. And my favorite knife will help me in this. Oh, great! I'll cover this layer with a pancake that I rolled out of fudge, pressing the sides and making a cookie. I'll decorate it with a circle on top and make some stripes. Oh, how cool! This is so nice! Now, I will make the bottom layer and put all the layers on it. I'll decorate them with colorful fudge. Ta-da! My amazing cake is ready! Do you see how easy and simple it is to make a masterpiece? Don't be afraid to repeat it at home. I'm sure that you'll definitely succeed. It looks so appetizing. Can't wait to try it. Hooray! The witch is at home. Come on, Mirror. Tell me the truth. Am I the cutest, best, and most beautiful person in the world? You're beautiful, no doubt, but Snow White is the cutest of all. The cutest and the best of all. That won't do. I have to be the most beautiful. I'm going to make Snow White a cake that will change her life. Quail egg will go first. And now oil, sugar, and of course, flour. Let's mix it all. It turned out an excellent dough. According to the recipe, you need to add a blood potion. So let's see. What are the proportions? Perhaps that is enough for Snow White. Let the dough turn green. Great job! It remains only to put it in a mold. bake it. My great plan must work. In the meantime, I'll take the next ingredient. Roll it out. And cut it into pieces. Perfect. I'll make a caterpillar out of these pieces. And let the eyes be chocolate. My cupcake is on the way. It's time to cut it and apply the cream so that Snow White likes it and she doesn't suspect anything. If you connect the halves, you'll get an apple. Now, I'll smear the cream with a spatula. Let's do this. But I heard that Snow White loves red apples. Well, let's treat her to one. What do you say? Does it look like a red apple? Ta-da! Perfect! So, the door and window will turn my apple into a house. Almost like a dwarf's one. Snow White will definitely not be able to refuse such a gift. I'll make some grass and put up a fence. It looks cool. I already want to try myself. La la la! What a great day! How are you, Brother Rabbit? Hello, Snow White. I have something for you. Do you want a gift?
Do you want to try it?
Of course, Witch. With pleasure. Let's see what that is. Wow! Did you make it with your own hands? Amazing! How delicious! Delicious and poisoned.
Behold!
Broom? Goodbye, Snow White.
Oh no.
Oh no, my head. I think I feel bad. Help! Hello, friends. Wow, Pringles chips at a discount. And what if you make a cake in the form of a bucket of chips? An awesome idea. I'll do so. Hello, I want to buy all these chips. Great, that'll be $10. Here you are. Thank you. Come to us again. Absolutely. Goodbye. To make a cake, you need to prepare the dough. I mix flour and corn flour. Now we need to separate the yolk from the whites. Let's do this. So I'll break the egg right into the sieve. The yolk will remain on top and the whites will be at the bottom. I came up with a cool idea, huh? I pour the yolk into another bowl and return to the other one. It needs to be salted, sweetened, and some lemon juice. Cool, that's the combination. Look what a foam we've got. Perhaps I'll start with fresh milk. Then I'll add some sunflower oil and vanilla syrup. Oh, how delicious vanilla smells! I love its scent. The main thing here is that we don't have lumps left. Ready. Now I add flour. And again, I mix everything to get a thick mess. Finally, you can mix the yolk with the whites. Reunion of old friends. It turned out a gorgeous dough. Wow, how cool it stretches. Perfect for a cake. It's time to pour the dough into the mold and put it into the oven for half an hour. Let the cake bake while I play. Wow, it turned out to be a giant cupcake. I'm already drooling, but this is just the beginning. The most interesting thing is ahead. cake decoration. It is necessary to cut it into 3 layers and lubricate each of them with cream. Excellent! I'm making a cake in the shape of a bucket of chips, so the cupcake should taper to the bottom like a real bucket. Awesome! Layer by layer. And I'm cutting out the excess. Amazing! Some cream on top and on the sides. Now I'm going to smear the cream with a knife and it'll be perfect. Ta-da! And next, I'll wrap the cake with fudge and put a stripe on top. Does it look like a bucket? Oh yeah! Hooray! It's time for chips! I pour them on top and stick a Pringles label. It looks mega cool! It remains to put the barbecue sauce. Let it be melted chocolate because my cake is a sweet dessert. Voila! It turned out to be an awesome cake in the form of chips. Gorgeous! I'm so glad! Enjoy your meal! I just love chips and I can't imagine my life without them. I hope you're cooking them with me. Let's try this masterpiece together.